ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಿ ಕಲಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ದಿನ 12ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವಾದ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಹೂ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬರ್ನ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ವುಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಮ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್? ದಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟು ಕ್ರೌಸ್. ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಇಂಟೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್? ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ is over? Answer is, Romeo intends to dance with her or at least touch her hands in greeting and make his blast. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, what according to Romeo will happen when he touches Juliet's hand? Answer, Romeo imagines that his coarse hand will be blessed when he touches Juliet's hand. ಐದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, what according to Romeo was not seen by him until he saw Juliet? ಉತ್ತರ, Answer, Romeo had not seen what true beauty was until he saw Juliet. What does Julio ask the loving black-browed knight to do? ಆರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, what does Juliet ask the loving black-browed knight to do? Answer, Juliet asks the loving black-browed knight to bring her Romeo to her. ಏಳನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, when does Juliet want Romeo to be set up in heaven with the stars? Juliet wants to Romeo to be set up in the heaven with the stars after her death. ಎಂಟನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, why does Juliet call Romeo day in the night? Answer, Juliet calls Romeo day in the night because his presence will shine out against the darkness. ಒಂಬತ್ತನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, who will come gliding on the wings of the night? Answer, Romeo. What does Juliet want Romeo to be after her death? Juliet wants to Romeo to be set up in heaven amidst the stars. ಹನ್ನೊಂದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ, how does Juliet want to Romeo to immortalized? Or how according to Juliet would Romeo be immortalized to the world? Juliet wants Romeo to be immortalized as a star in heaven. ಹನ್ನೆರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, why will the world be in love with night? Answer, Romeo will make the pace of heaven so fine that the world will fall in love with night. ಹದಿಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, why will people stop paying attention to the sun? ಉತ್ತರ, after being cut into little stars, Romeo will make the pace of heaven so fine that the world will stop paying attention to the sun. ಹದಿನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, for never saw true beauty till this night. What does true beauty refer to? Or whom does the phrase true beauty refer to in Romeo and Juliet? Answer, Juliet's beauty. ಹದಿನೈದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, how does Juliet hang on the cheek of the night? Answer, like a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear. ಹದಿನಾರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, when according to Romeo would his hand be blessed? ಉತ್ತರ, when Romeo touches Juliet's hand in the dancing hall. ಹದಿನೇಳನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, whose rude hand would be made blessed by touching Juliet's hand? ಉತ್ತರ, Romeo's rude hand would be made blessed when it touches Juliet's hand. 18ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. Who is whiter than new snow on Ravana's back? Who, according to Juliet, is whiter than new snow? Answer is Romeo. 19th question. Who is compared to a rich jewel in an Ethiopian's ear? Answer Juliet. 20th question. Who is compared to a snowy dove? Or whom does the praise snowy dove refer to? Or who looks like a snowy dove to Romeo? Answer is Juliet. The next question is 21. Whom does Romeo address as yonder lady? Answer is Juliet. Who, according to Juliet, would the entire world be in love with that night? The answer is Romeo. 23. Who, according to Juliet, would make the pace of heaven so fine? Answer is Romeo. 24. When would people not worship the Gary's son according to Juliet? Answer is after Juliet's death, when Romeo goes to heaven as a star, he will make heaven so fine that people will stop worshipping the Gary's son. 25. What does Julius what does Juliet teach to burn bright? Answer is Juliet teaches the torch to burn bright. 26. Who will come gliding on the wings of the night? Answer is Romeo will come gliding on the wings of the night. 27. When, according to Juliet, would the entire world be in love with night? Answer is Juliet believes that Romeo, after being set up among the stars in heaven, will make the pace of heaven beautiful and charming. Then the whole world would fall in love with night. 28. Who, according to Romeo, seems to hang upon the cheek of the night? Answer is according to Romeo, Juliet seems to hang upon the cheek of the night like a jeweled earring hanging against the cheek of an Ethiopian lady. 29. Whose beauty, according to Romeo, is too rich for use? According to Romeo, it is Juliet's beauty that is too rich for use. 30. After the dancing is over, Romeo intends to A. Meet and talk to Juliet. B. Touch Juliet's hand. C. Watch Juliet's place of the stand. Answer is B. Touch Juliet's hand. 31. Who is compared to crows by Romeo? Answer is Romeo compares Juliet to white dove and the other ladies in the hall to a flock of crows. 32. When does Juliet expect Romeo to come? Answer is Juliet expects Romeo to come in the night. 33 is 33. Who, according to Juliet, will lie upon the wings of the night? Answer is according to Juliet, Romeo will lie upon the wings of night and come gliding to her. 34. Where, according to Juliet, will Romeo lie upon? Answer. According to Juliet, Romeo will lie upon the back of Ravan. 35. Who, according to Juliet, is whiter than new snow? Answer is according to Juliet, Romeo is whiter than new snow on the back of Raven. Or Romeo looks whiter than snow on the back of Raven. 36. Who, according to Juliet, is day in the night? Answer is According to Juliet, it is Romeo who is like day in the night. 37. When does Juliet want Romeo to be cut out in little stars? Answer is Juliet wants to Romeo to be cut out in little stars after her death. 38. What does Juliet want Romeo to be cut out into after her death? Answer is after her death, Juliet wants to Romeo to be cut out into little stars. 39. What, according to Juliet, will Romeo make so fine? Once Romeo is set up in heaven as a star, he will make the face of heaven so fine, or beautiful and charming. 14 is when Romeo shines like a star in the face of heaven, the world will dash according to Juliet. A. Worship the garrison. B. Fall in love with night. C. Keep staring at heaven. The answer is B. Fall in love with night. 41. When according to Juliet would the entire world be in love with night? Answer is according to Juliet, when Romeo is set up as a star in the sky, he will make the face of heaven so fine that the world would be in love with the night. 42 is when would the world pay no worship to the garrison according to Juliet? Answer is according to Juliet, the world will pay no worship to the garrison only when the face of heaven looks fine.